beautiful cyclists, today a brand new model from TENWAYS. It's the CGO Compact. TENWAYS always surprises us with new models, with new concepts, with new offerings, because they really listen to what their customers really need, and they are very close to all the trends happening on the bicycle market. And one trend for sure is that bikes become more compact, because people do not have so much space, because they have families have more bicycles and it's not so easy to store them. And that's why this bicycle comes with a lot of innovation and cool features, like you can turn in the handlebars and you have foldable pedals. Therefore, it's super easy to store it in a car or at work or in your cellar or in your apartment where there's not so much space available. But before we dig into all the specifications, the features, let's go on a test ride first, see how it feels and for whom this bicycle is suitable. The first question that pops up when I test a compact bike is, how does it ride? Does it ride like a compact bike or like a regular bike? And I have to say, the CGO Compact rides like a regular bike, like a really classic Dutch bike, upright sitting position, super comfortable, and you cannot feel that the tires are just 20-inch. That's the first important fact in my opinion when you're testing compact bikes. Then, of course, if you're looking for a bike that you would like to ride regularly, meaning you're spending a lot of time on the bike, for me, super important, the frame geometry. And this one, of course, you can individualize with the handlebars because it has a quick release. And TENWAYS says you can, for the cyclist's height, you can cycle from 160 up to 190 centimeters. And for me, as you know, I prefer upright sitting positions because then I see what is happening around me, especially in the city when there's a lot of traffic, fellow cyclists, etc. And it's just super comfortable. And so the compact frame geometry, because it is a compact bike, for me it's perfect because I'm very agile, enhances the upright sitting. The handlebars are a bit bent backwards in combination with ergo grips. That means the weight of my upper body is not just on one point, but it is very well balanced on my wrists. And you cannot indeed tell the difference if you're cycling 20-inch tires, wheels, or 28 inches. And the two things that make this riding experience even more comfortable are two things. The seat post has a suspension, so especially now when the weather is really horrible and a lot is lying on the streets and there are potholes, etc., you really think, so comfortable. You just ride over like a branch. I'm doing it right now, and then it's just a little bump. And the second thing is that the tires are very thick and chunky. It's an own development by TENWAYS. So they also work like a suspension because this bicycle doesn't have a suspension fork. And an additional thing I'd like to tell you about the tires, they are not puncture proof but puncture protected. Very important if you live in the city when there's glass and all the other very strange things lying on the street. It is an e-bike, and the motor of the TENWAYS CGO Compact is located in the rear hub. And that gives you rather a feeling of being pushed. And to be honest, I like that because it still gives you a very natural riding experience, but it gives this extra little push. So I really like the motor being in the rear hub because that gives you a little extra push, but still offers you a very natural riding experience. And the natural riding experience comes also from the torque sensor, and a torque sensor measures how hard and how fast you push the pedal. So it's actually like riding a regular bike. So the harder you push the pedal, the faster you get, and actually the torque sensor does that, meaning it gives you, when you push harder, the motor gives you the extra support you're asking for. and the motor has 45 Newton meters. That's actually something very normal. It's very normal for e-bikes that are perfect for commuting or doing little tours. And this one is also very well balanced, because sometimes, I don't know why, other manufacturers give you all the power of the motor when they also offer 45 Newton meters, but this one here doesn't feel too strong. And also the motor response is really natural and very well balanced, because when you push the pedal, it gives you the support instantly, and it's not like this one push, but it's very well balanced. You do have in total 5 modes of pedal assistance, and you do have a little remote on the handlebars where you can switch between the different modes. And most of the time I was cycling in mode 2 and 3, because usually in Hamburg I ride between 18, 20, 22 kilometers. And in mode 3, by just pushing a couple of times into the pedal, I easily reached the 25 kilometers. I was even going faster with a 26.5, and I could have even gotten faster, but like filming, concentrating on the traffic, etc., I thought it's okay just to show you. You can even go faster than the allowed 25 kilometers an hour. Of course, every e-bike has a battery, and this one here is integrated into the frame with a beautiful flap that is also painted in the color of the bike. And the battery has 504 watts. And that gives you a range of, TENWAYS says, up to 100 kilometers. That's probably true if you're cycling only in pedal assist mode 1, when you're very lightweight, do not have so many inclines, and the weather is perfect. So for me it was a bit difficult to test the range, because it is freezing. It's winter, it's February in Hamburg. We had minus 8 degrees the last couple of days. Today it's only like minus 2 degrees. But to give you like some sort of experience sharing, I had to charge most of the time the bike once or twice per week, and I have a daily commute between 5 and 10 kilometers in winter. I'm not like the heavyweight person, but it was most of the time flat, but yeah. So I would say you're very good, like the range between 50 and 80 kilometers. Also super important, especially when the weather conditions are as fabulous as today, are the brakes. So the hydraulic disc brakes from Tektro worked really well. They were like giving me a lot of sense of stopping pretty quickly, but not like being too strong so that I would fall over my handlebars, if you know what I mean. So they always gave me the feeling of having the bicycle under control, even when I had to stop abruptly. Because you do have the rear carrier that has the MIG HD system, which is a system most manufacturers of baskets, child seats, etc. Offer now, and you can carry up to 27 kg, and TENWAYS offers a child seat. I would say the CGO Compact is the perfect companion if you commute a lot in the city. If you want to carry your groceries or your child, then you do have a very versatile bicycle with high quality, and you can even go on tours, because of course the range is definitely enough that you can do a weekend tour. So this whole combination of high quality components, and let's take an extra round. So the motor is the C9 TENWAYS motor in the rear hub. So far, I mean, I read a lot, I talk to a lot of TENWAYS customers. I haven't had any complaints about the motor or the battery. So that's definitely a very reliable part. In combination with the Gates carbon belt drive, and the belt drive lasts up to 3 times longer than a regular chain. It needs no attention, so no oil or no grease, and therefore the bike is much cleaner. It's noiseless, so you're gliding. And one thing that I highly appreciate is that you do, well, it's not a chain protector, it's a belt protector, because even when my trousers cannot get dirty due to the fact that there's no grease on the belt drive, every now and then even the belts, they tend to eat my trousers. So I'm super happy about this extra protection. The tetrohydraulic disc brakes were working really well, I told you already, but also important that you can service this bike. I mean, TENWAYS is now operating with quite a lot of bike shops all over Europe, but still I think it's always good to know that most of the parts that need regular service can be serviced in a bike shop. Well, I told you already, it's super comfortable to ride this bicycle because of the fat tires, the frame geometry, but also the saddle from Saddle Royale. I know a saddle, it's very individual, but I would say this one that TENWAYS did choose does not only look really beautiful, but I found it very comfortable. Of course, the bicycle is STVZO compliant. This means you have reflective stripes in the tires, and I love the solutions concerning the light when you have a look at TENWAYS. You have the integrated light into the frames on the front, which is absolutely okay to be more visible during the day, and you do have a front light that is super strong and in the back integrated into the rear carrier. Arriving in style, having a beautiful bicycle is super important for me. I really love the quality of the frame. You see no welding signs. I love the straight fork in the front. I love this little triangle here, then the extra grip so you can carry the bike, and the color is sandstone. I think it's a very sophisticated and beautiful color. Of course, the compact, that means that you can store it easily when you turn around the handlebars and the pedals, or you can carry it or transport in your car when you maybe have different modes of transportation, when you go with the car first and then swap to the bike. As you can see, we don't have a regular car, but for me now it's possible to put the bike in the car and transport it. The bike is quite heavy indeed, because I mean it is an e-bike with a heavy battery and the motor, but you can still, especially due to the fact that there's the grip, you can carry it a couple of stairs. TENWAYS also offers an app, and you can connect your bike, and then you have of course all the data concerning your rides. You have a community you can connect with, there are some competitions, you have a navigation system, you see where your bike is. So yeah, if you're into it, definitely TENWAYS offers one, in my opinion, one of the most sophisticated apps in this sector. The bicycle will cost 1,999 euros. So for me, concerning the quality of the frame, the parts and accessories, the design you get, I would say it's a very reasonable price, very competitive to be honest, and I give my thumbs up.